now invite everyone to join our distinguished guests for the official gallery walkthrough. As you explore the exhibit, we encourage you to appreciate each work and take the opportunity to meet our featured artists who will gladly share the inspiration behind their masterpiece. Ladies and gentlemen, this concludes our formal program. On behalf of Luxon Hotel and Dalai Likha Art Gallery, we extend our heartfelt gratitude to everyone who joined us in celebrating the opening of Pamumukan and August Hallway Art Exhibit. Our sincere appreciation goes to the Quezon City Tourism Department, National Commission for Culture and Arts, our media partners, Dalai Likha Art Gallery, our featured artists, our distinguished guests, and everyone who contributed to making this event a success. We would also like to acknowledge our valued event partners, Style by Gwen, our official event styling partner, Happy Burritos, our official grazing table partner, Destileria Limtongo and Co. Incorporated, our official capital partner, and Happy Goldfish, our official photography partner. We will now join the council reception of grazing table and stand up for the Let's